like they're on a slow things down on this occasion. Look at the Brazilian wants the ball back. In fact, he goes all the way back to Skirtle. Let's go right to the far side of Derby, and that's a good tackle on that far touchline by Sigurdsson. And a throw to Liverpool back.
Yeah, really continues to Liverpool under pressure when they're in possession. The question is whether they can continue that intensity throughout this second period. First half, they managed to do that throughout that first period. But as the game wears on, whether Liverpool's class might tell.
There's a lot of Scandinavian fitness already seen. Back to that point in the moment. It's still well. James Cross it.